Welcome to Lesson 30, the final lesson in our ZSH series. Today we cover globbing, expansion, and customization. Let us finish strong. ZSH globs are more powerful than basic wildcards. Double star matches files recursively in subdirectories. Qualifiers filter by type, dot for files, slash for dirs. Size and time qualifiers replace most find commands. You can sort and limit results right in the glob. Setting up a demo file tree with varied types and sizes. Opening the globbing script in NVIM. Color helpers first, then cd into the demo directory. Double star slash star dot finds shell scripts recursively. File type qualifiers. Dot for files, slash for directories. Size qualifiers. Capital L K plus 10 means larger than 10 KB. Time qualifiers. MH-24 means modified in the last day. Sorting with OM gives newest first. Brackets limit results. Negation with caret excludes patterns from results. Let us review all 7 sections. Qualifiers are the key feature here. Running it now, watch the qualifiers filter files. Notice how size and time qualifiers narrow the results. Brace expansion generates sequences and combinations. Number and letter ranges expand in line. Cross products combine lists. great for creating directories. Parameter flags transform strings: upper, lower, split, join. Set-top options like null_glob change how ZSH handles patterns. Setting up the demo environment for expansion examples. Creating the expansion script. Color helpers and change to the demo directory. Brace sequences generate number and letter ranges. Cross products combine lists. Web, API, D, B times prod, staging. Parameter flags transform variables: U for upper, L for lower. Split on colon breaks a path into an array. Join combines. Setup options change matching behavior. NL_glob prevents errors. Bulk rename using the :r modifier strips the extension. Let us review all 7 sections. Parameter flags are unique to ZSH. Running it now, watch the expansions work. The bulk rename shows how to transform file names in line. The ZSH prompt is fully customizable with escape codes. VCS_info adds git branch info to your prompt. RPROMPT shows content on the right side. ZLE lets you create custom key bindings and widgets. The completion system makes commands context-aware. Setting up a Git repo for prompt and VCS_info demos. Creating the customization script. Color helpers and CD into the prompt demo repo. %n is username, %m is hostname, %tilde is directory. VCS_info with autoload and zstyle gives us the branch name. RPROMPT shows the time on the right. Great for timestamps. ZLE widgets are functions bound to key combos with bind key. Custom completion with compdef links a function to a command. The production prompt combines user, directory, git, and exit code. Let us review the full script. Seven sections, from basic prompt to production setup. Running it now. Watch print-p render each prompt. The production prompt shows everything in one clean line. Let us recap. Lesson 30. Glob qualifiers filter files by type, size, and time. Brace expansion and parameter flags transform data in line. Custom prompts with VCS_info show your Git branch. ZLE widgets and completions make your shell truly yours. Congratulations on completing all 30 lessons. Thanks for watching the entire series. If this was helpful, please give it a like. Subscribe and hit the bell for more content. You are now a ZSH Pro. Happy scripting!